Hello, this is Kevin with IndySoft, coming at you today with another Tip Tuesday. And today I'm going to discuss traceability for masters. If you want to determine what equipment was calibrated using a certain master, then we have a couple of ways of doing that, and I want to go over those today. So I have the master pulled up, master 2 in this case, and I want to know, since the last time this master was calibrated, which would be on 8/31/2020, what equipment was calibrated using that master. So I will select the event that was last performed, and then I will click on this icon here for display forward traceability. We'll click that, and this will give you two options. Will pop up, and the first option is only looking at calibration events that were performed on or after the selected event, or all calibration type events. So if you have other events that you use for calibration and you want to trace those as well, then you could select that option to do that. It tells you here that the selected event is for 8/31/2020. So I will click OK, and here is all the equipment that was calibrated using that master since 8/31/2020. So that'll give you a listing. From here you can highlight a certain piece of equipment and click on this icon here to go directly to it. You could send all of this equipment to Equipment Finder, where you could, get your listing of equipment and check those out. You could print the list, and these two options here are just for expanding and collapsing your list. Okay, so that's one method of determining what events or what equipment was calibrated using this master. Another method is we have a standard report. So if we go down to Classic Reports and Equipment Traceability, we can launch that. And when that comes up, these are the fields that you want to include on the report. We will click the back button and get to step 1. We will select our master. In this case, we are doing master 2 and the event date range. So we could do August 31st. August 31st of 2020. And you could extend that date range out, but I'm just going to use the same date. Okay, click next. You can sort just like any other standard report. Go next. Screen setup, and we'll just send it to screen. Click finished, and here is the equipment that was performed by that master for that date range that we entered in. We could of course expand that date range. August 31st through, we'll just say today. And of course that's going to give us a much larger listing of records. as you can see. Alright, so that's how you would determine what equipment was calibrated using a certain master. Hope this helps, and see you again soon.